상말라 자시들의 시에서 거의 중간라 참지만 뭐 완전한테 산에 강도라 병원에서 산다 중간에 저기 불다 상만도 진짜 요래 니와라 예 상소 지사시 얼마 상소는 거 왔어 상만아 침대 먹어요 거의 중간라 예.
May I request Chief Engineer to kindly escort the Honorable Chief Minister to their seats, please.
Exactly 3 years ago, on the auspicious occasion of the 88th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the Honorable Chief Minister had envisioned and declared for a community hall and other allied facilities. Today, as we all gather here in your gracious presence, sir, hand the facility over to the Sikkimese Tibetan community. I would also like to mention that which is 9 months earlier than the stipulated time. As per the Honorable Chief Minister's wishes and direction, the department has maintained the aesthetics and architecture as close to each cultural identity of the different communities.
영원 군대 주시고 친구죠. 로하던 제비 군경 국민 담발 그 선배신 지금들 군정 우주우주나 패바 그 중간 두제 순지 주기 중대 재림 번주 주죠.
Honorable Home Minister, Central Tibetan Administration, and the esteemed ministers of Government of Sikkim, heartfelt
Intense devotion to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, community of Gangtok, would like to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Pen Singh Tamangoli, Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, and Guest of Honor Mr. Palden Tendu, Honorable Home Minister, Central Tibetan Administration, Dharamsala, Honorable Shri G.D. Dungyal, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Culture and Heritage Department, and Shri Sonam Lama, Honorable Minister, Public Health Engineering, Water Resource and Ecology. On the 91st birthday of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, the statement contains of 5 pages. I think it may take a long time, but according to the contribution of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama for the last 90 years, I think in comparison to his contributions towards the world in the field of compassion, so I will go through it. Of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. On the auspicious 91st birthday of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, the Crown Jewel and the Ruling and the Global Leader of Peace, the Kashak, on behalf of Tibetan inside and outside Tibet, offers our deepest prostration with body, speech, and mind and heartfelt greeting to His Holiness. We also extend warm greetings to the distinguished guest with joy and devotion. Last year, on the momentous occasion of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama's 90th birthday, according to the Gregorian calendar, the Kashak officially announced the worldwide celebration of the Year of Compassion. The initiative was launched as an expression of gratitude to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama's immeasurable kindness, his core principle commitment. Since then, the Tibetan and the Friends of Tibet are deeply grateful to you all. His Holiness has devoted his entire life to fulfilling the following 4 commitments. Number 1, to promote universal human values by fostering compassion, loving kindness, ethical conduct, and sense of moral responsibility.
Thank you.
respected councillors. So looking at the length of the message, it may take a little bit more also, so kindly bear with me. And that's direct to all of you.
Guest Shri Prem Singh Tamang Gole, the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, distinguished guests, have spoken of our sincere gratitude and this celebration with their presence. I request Shri Paltan Thunduk, Honorable Home Minister, Central Tibetan Administration, Shri Srin Wangchuk, Chairman, Local Tibetan Assembly, Shri Jimpa Phuntsok, Tibetan Settlement Officer, Shri Pema Wangtak, Working President Panchakitu, to come up. Shri G.T. Dungel, Honorable Minister, Culture and Health, 14th Dalai Lama.
I declare the name of this community center is Sile Kun Thap Ling.
Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim for his visionary leadership of the star among the vast cohort of all India. This is indeed a huge honor. Both the COVID-19 pandemic and the flash floods in 2023, the government is calling era of New Sikkim, the state dignity of life, respect, righteousness. Sikkim is famous for its unparalleled cleanliness and 100% organic produce, attracting tourists from all over the world. It is because of the Chief Minister and promote historical sites in all faiths and the communities and the law and order prospect of quality tourism guidance. The Chief Minister's unflinching reverence and which are also acknowledge the great 14th Dalai Lama. Respect and of immeasurable benevolence. While offering praise.
खुसी छायो गुरु रिम्पोछेको नाम लिँदा जीवनै धन्य भयो Mama, Santi, Chande, Jyoti, Sansan. को आधार
For the keynote address, we are
Tibetan Settlement कार्यालय सिक्किम अनि टिबेटियन समुदायका विभिन्न निकायहरू साथै सिक्किम सरकारको संस्कृति अनि धरोहर विभागको संयुक्त तत्वावधानमा सम्पन्न परम पावन 14औं दलाई लामाज्यूको 91औं शुभ जन्मदिन साथै नवनिर्मित टिबेटियन कम्युनिटी सेन्टरको विधिवत उद्घाटनको यो ऐतिहासिक कार्यक्रममा उपस्थित शेराजी गुम्पाका टिबेटियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेसन धर्मशाला का आदरणीय श्री पाल्देन थेन्डुप ज्यू
नंबर 12 फेब्रुअरी के थोने मा तुझे लेबु जे शुरू छे आज 6 जुलाई 2000 दलाई लामा जुको 91औं जन्म दिवस को शुभ अवसर का दिन सिक्किम सरकार का सम्माननीय मुख्यमंत्री प्रेम सिंह तामाङ सर ज्यू उहाँले आफ्नो बहुमूल्य समय निकालेर आज यहाँ मुख्य अतिथिको रूपमा उपस्थित भइदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद र साथै उहाँको माया र आशीर्वादको कारणले आज सारा टिबेटन समुदायको लागि यहाँ भवन नयाँ निर्माण गरिदिनु भएकोमा सारा टिबेटन समुदायको तर्फबाट धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद टक्राउन चाहन्छु साथै सीटीए एडमिनिस्ट्रेसनका माननीय गृह मन्त्रीज्यू आजका विशिष्ट अतिथिको रूपमा उपस्थित भइदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद साथै सिक्किम सरकारका माननीय मन्त्री सोनाम लामाज्यू जिरी ढुङ्गेलज्यू सर र साथै विधायकगण साथै मेयर डिप्टी मेयर उहाँहरूलाई आजको अतिथिको रूपमा उपस्थित भइदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु साथै सिक्किमका शाही परिवार साथै विभिन्न धर्मका विभागका सचिव तथा वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण उहाँहरूलाई पनि 5 टिबेटन कम्युनिटी एसोसिएसनका अध्यक्ष महोदयहरूलाई पनि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद टक्राउन चाहन्छु साथै अध्यक्ष धन्यवाद टक्राउन चाहन्छु र साथै सिक्किमका मिडियाकर्मी साथै पुलिस विभागका वरिष्ठ अधिकारी कर्मी उहाँहरूलाई पनि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद टक्राउन चाहन्छु र डिपार्टमेन्टको सचिव तथा उहाँको सहयोगमा काम गर्नुहुने उहाँको वरिष्ठ अधिकारी ज्यूहरूलाई यहाँको यो भवन यो निर्माण समितिको तर्फबाट धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद टक्राउन चाहन्छु हाम्रो टिबेटन समुदायहरूलाई टिबेटन भाषाद्वारा एक दुई वचन भन्ने हाम्रो माननीय सम्माननीय मुख्यमन्त्रीज्यूको अनुमति चाहन्छु दवा विवेचे ठुकिन चिनो फसक्यामको छेमो हुडाङ कुचु बेबे कुइ ठुगर के जेगोतो छिप्यु किक्यावे कुरे चिक्याप लेजे श्री प्रेम सिंह तामाङ छो कुडे चो तो छिप्यु क्यावा थोजी छे अगनजी हेमी टिकु के पाले नसिकाले छो मिक्सर कुडे तो छिप्यु क्यावा थोजी छे अगनजी हिजो नादे शुंगी लुएचे सोनाम लामा छो जिरी ढुङ्गेल छो अगनजी लुएचे नम्बाताङ मे
So coming as a 90th birthday, we celebrated it grandly worldwide. So Then I was in Dharamshala. That started Compassion Year. So this is the end of Compassion Year celebration. So that's why I was invited by the Culture Department, and of course our President of Central Tibetan Administration also invited the guest of honor. So then unluckily he has to go to Ladakh. Then I came here. What I felt is very happy because all the community, representatives, all the religions gathered here celebrating. This is the compassion. What we are saying is compassion as Bhaichara. What is the Bhaichara? Bhaichara in the sense all the different cultures and religions stay together warmly, warm-heartedly. This is called compassion. So I feel very good.
So this is a joyous appreciation that is connected to the community at large.
Yeah, Chinese, they passed the ethnic laws and progress. So this law, actually they passed a law, and so-called law, actually practice minorities culture from the 10-20 years. So today they started saying that we frame a law called ethnic. So this law is nothing, but then they try to assimilate all the culture, language, identity of minorities. So what I
How does that affect the Chinese community inside and
you do all the minorities. There are many minorities in China, not only Tibetan. So many minorities in China. So all will affect. So in the he's really sad because this shows the dissatisfaction because the most valuable thing is our soul. So he was ready to spend his soul for the cause of Tibet. So this is a proud moment as well as sad moment also. He is the not only person who spent his life on Tibet. Around 157 Tibetans in Tibet and in Tibetan diaspora worldwide.
do you think self-innovation is
We're talking about compassion in the sense, don't hurt others. And of course, violence draw attention from Indian nation. Non-violent, nobody is saying that we support or not. So to draw the attention, they spend their life for it.